Might have passed by the wheel loader.
Okay, is it like a tractor?
Yeah.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
No idea. No, we have no idea.
Stop. 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 Hey! Stop! I'm PPA radio. I'm an individual who's driving a four-wheeler tractor. He is not stopping for me. I have no way of stopping this vehicle. He's going to go out on the main road.
Watch your dick, he's ready.
I can't control him.
Grab your machine. What is it? One of those things? How fast is it?
They can get up to probably about 30.
Okay, grab that. Quick.
Making a left. Keep me updated. I've got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. It's a little bit slower, but he's behind us as well. But
Hey, radio, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
I left my yellow bed for him.
I'll use 10-3 for the vehicle, Corley, Center and Oprah.
10-3. Circle, also Brook Drive.
This is unbelievable.
It's wrong.
Keep him up! Hey! Flip it! If you can flip it, flip it!
I'll use 1039. 1039 at 12 o'clock.
You what?
180.
Yeah, that's definitely just circle for the heavier artillery.
Hey, let's get him up since this thing's laying on its side.
Kick your legs out.